time is never on our side. A growing labor crisis threatens your operation's safety and productivity. But demands don't slow down. You're still expected to get orders out the door, on time, every time. It's time for Yale Lift Truck Technologies. At Yale, we are laser-focused on what you need, combining iron, innovation, and an independent dealer network to transform your constantly evolving warehouse operation. Our customer-driven design philosophy is focused on solving your toughest challenges to deliver award-winning benefits for your operation and your operators in ergonomics, productivity, and total cost of operation. Leading the way with technology innovations that empower your workforce and challenge the notion of what a lift truck can do. Lifted up by a dealer network who are intentionally independent so they can stay exclusively focused on you. Their success depends on your success. It's time to challenge everything. It's time for something new. It's time for Yale Lift Truck Technologies.